Hello students, welcome to today's session. We'll work out today one more problem with capital adjustment. Those are not understood, listen again properly. Okay, question number 16, we didn't solve in the previous session. Question number 16 we are doing. Okay, so Azad and Babli are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Chintan is admitted into the firm with 1/4 share. So old ratio is 2:1. Chintan's share is, it is 1/4. Chintan will bring 30,000 as his capital, and capitals of A and B are to be adjusted in the profit sharing ratio. So one adjustment they have given in the beginning only, right? So Chintan brings 30,000 capital, new partners capital, ಮತ್ತೆ ಕೊಡುವ ಬದಲಿಗೆ starting they have given. So you have to read the problem properly. And capital should be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. Means capital adjustment is there. Okay. Balance sheet is given. Chintan will bring rupees 12,000 as his share of goodwill. His share of goodwill given. Direct you have to take. Building were valued at 45,000 and machinery at 23,000. A provision of doubtful debts is to be created at 6% on debtors. The capital accounts of Azad and Babli are adjusted by opening current account. I'll explain that, what is opening current account. So in the previous two problems, adjustments if any, after adjusting the capital according to new profit sharing ratio on the basis of new partners capital. So if credit side more, if you are getting, we write to cash, actual cash paid off. If debit side is more, actual difference cash brought in by cash entry you write. But in this sum, instead of cash, it should be transferred to current account. That's all. We'll solve the sum. Okay, first revaluation. So building were revalued at rupees 45,000. So at means what you have to do? You have to see whether balance sheet amount and adjustment amount you have to compare. If adjustment amount is more, at kottaga valued as anta kottaga. If adjustment amount is more, there is appreciation. If adjustment amount is less, there is depreciation. Now see how much in the balance sheet? Balance sheet building amount is 40,000 and adjustment building amount is 45,000. So there is increase in building. So here you are to write by building. By building, the difference amount 5,000. You are to write by building, the difference amount 5,000. And machinery in the adjustment 23,000, in the balance sheet machinery 25,000. Adjustment amount is less. When adjustment amount is less, there is decrease in the value of asset. So it comes to machinery account. To machinery account, the difference amount is 2,000. Okay. So valued as, ಅಥವಾ valued at anta kottaga, first you have to compare balance sheet amount and adjustment amount. If adjustment amount is more, it means there is increase, appreciation. If adjustment amount is less, it means there is decrease or depreciation. Increase in asset, you have to write credit side. By asset, decrease in asset, you have to write to asset. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ building adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ 45 ಇದೆ, balance sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ 50,000 is there, 40,000 is there. So adjustment 5,000 more, so that is increase in asset by building. Machinery in the balance sheet 25 ಇದೆ, adjustment ಅಲ್ಲಿ machinery valued at 23 ಇದೆ. So adjustment is less by 2,000. So decrease in asset you have to write 2,000. Okay. Next. A provision for doubtful debts is to be created at 6% on debtors. So in the balance sheet, provision for doubtful debts is not given. So there is increase in PBD. So you have to write 2 PBD. It is 6% on debtors. Debtors amount is 8,000. 8,000 into 6%. So it is 480. So now find out, no other adjustments, now find out whether there is revaluation profit or loss. Okay. Now credit side 5,000, debit side 2,480, credit side is more. So you have to write to profit on revaluation, transferred to capital account, transferred to capital account. So A, Azad and Bubbly, Azad and Bubbly, total 5,000, total is 5,000. Now 5,000 minus 2,480, find out the difference. Difference is 2,520. Now distribute in old ratio 2/3 and 1/3. $1,680 and 840. 1,680 and 840. In the sum, journal entries kelidare, that you have to read what is asked. We'll do the journal entries also. So 3 entries you get, later we'll write. Revaluation to machinery to PBD, building account debtor to revaluation account, and revaluation account debtor to Azad's capital account to Bubbly's capital account. Okay. More entry aitu. We'll complete capital account and then we'll write the entries, journal entries. Now, but when you record, tell the entry and then post it in the concerned ledger account. Draw columns for capital account, Azad, Bubbly and Chintan. Draw columns. So what and all items comes in the capital account? Balance brought down, then revaluation, then reserve fund, then profit and loss, by cash or bank, new partners capital, that is, then goodwill and goodwill withdrawn if any to cash or bank, and if capital adjustment, first we are writing balance carried down, and then if difference adjustment is made to cash or made to current account. And first previous sums, it is all the capital adjustments are made in cash. In this sum, the capital adjustments, that is difference if you find, that is adjusted to current account. Okay, again I will explain. First record all the entries. So first by balance brought down. By balance brought down. Capital balance is 50,000 and 32,000. 50,000 and 32,000. Okay. Then revaluation, by revaluation account, we got the balance 1680, 1680 and 840. 1680 and 840. Then is there general reserve in the balance sheet? General reserve or reserve fund? There is. Ade alli use madida hesare haki. It is general reserve. Okay. How much is there in the question? Balance sheet 6,000. 6,000 you have to distribute in old ratio. Old ratio is 2:1. So 2:1 when you distribute 4,000 and 6,000. After reserve fund, is there profit and loss account balance? Check both the sides. Not there. Okay. The new partner brings capital. First paragraph it is given. It is given in the first paragraph. Then don't tell a capital amount brought in is not given. So it is given in the first paragraph. Chintan will bring rupees 30,000 as his capital. So by cash or banka, balance sheet alli cash in hand, cash at bank, both are given. So you can write for any, you can take anything, but I will take bank. Prefer it is if you take bank account, right? So take bank account. So by bank, so bank account, how much he brings? New partners column 30,000. Okay. Now, next goodwill brought in, one entry bank to goodwill, then goodwill to old partners capital account. So, by goodwill. Old ratio, new ratio kottidara nodi omme, new ratio is not given I think. So, we are distributing the goodwill in OR only, OR is the sacrifice ratio. Okay. Goodwill, new ratio is not given. So, goodwill, what is the goodwill brought in? 12,000 you have to distribute in sacrifice ratio is 2:1 only in this sum. Okay, goodwill you have to distribute sacrifice ratio. Sacrifice ratio is not given. New profit sharing ratio is also not given. New profit sharing ratio kottidre, you have to do the working. Sacrifice share is old share minus new share. Formula you have to apply. If sacrifice ratio separate agi kottidre, that you have to take. So, sacrifice ratio we are using for the distribution of goodwill brought in by the new partner. Only for distribution of goodwill brought in by new partner, sacrifice ratio is used. Okay. So, when you distribute 12,000 in 2:1, you will get 8,000 and 4,000. So, by goodwill 8,000 and 4,000. Okay. Now, so all the adjustments over, balance, goodwill withdrawn illa, goodwill is not withdrawn. So, now the last adjustment, capital adjustment. So, working notes. So, we want new profit sharing ratio. When this information, this is given, first one is calculation of new profit sharing ratio. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಜಾಗ ಬೇಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಥವಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊಸ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ do the working. As and when calculation is required, do the working. I prefer that. First day ಎಲ್ಲ working note ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ I prefer. So what calculation we want? In one page you do the calculation and take it to the sum. So your time also will be saved in that case. Otherwise for working notes you have to read and you have to search the sum, search the information. Now we want capital adjustment. So first we want new profit sharing ratio. So old ratio and share of the new partner is given. How to calculate new ratio in this case? Firm share is 1, remaining share, therefore remaining share 1 minus 1 by 4. So that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 will be shared by Azad and Bubbly in old ratio in 2:1. Okay. So Azad's new share is 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So it is 2 by 4. Correct? So Azad, next Bubbly, continue there only. Bubbly's new share is 3 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So that is 1 by 4. Okay. So share of the new partner is 1 by 4. Remaining share, the old partners are going to share in old ratio when no information is given. So 3 by 4 when you distribute in 2:1, Azad's new share is 3 by 4 into 2 by 3, 2 by 4. Bubbly's new share is 3 by 4 into 1 by 3, that is 1 by 4. And Chintan's new share, already we know 1 by 4. Therefore, new profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. New profit sharing ratio is 2:1:1. Next adjustment is we are doing calculation of adjusted capital. So first working note, new profit sharing ratio we got 2:1:1. Sariya? Same thing I copied here. Second one you have to calculation of adjusted capital or the new capital, new adjusted capital of all the partners. Okay. Now on the basis of Chintan's share, so Chintan's share is C or Chintan's share. Illi Chintan idu new partner. Chintan's share is and capital. Both we know. That is 1 by 4 is 30,000. Correcta? Avana share, avana capital. So 1/4 of the capital is for 30,000. So total capital 1, how much? 30,000 into 1, idu gottideyalla, 30,000 into 1 divided by 1 by 4. Fraction divided helidre into reciprocal you have to take. So aga divided by 1 by 4 andre into 4 by 1. So total capital is 30,000 into, that is 30,000 into 1 into 4 by 1. So that is 1,20,000. So capital is 1,20,000. So now 1,20,000 should be in 2:1:1. So Aza's capital is, Aza's adjusted, therefore adjusted capital is 1,20,000 into 2 by 4, 2:1:1. So 1,20,000 into 2 by 4. So that is 60,000. Second partner Bubbly, correct no? Name of the partner. Bubbly's adjusted capital is 1,20,000 into his share. His share is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 when you multiply, so it is 30,000. Okay. And third partner Chintan's capital, already we know. Chintan's capital, it is direct you can take or 30,000. So 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000 is their adjusted capital. So that is in the new profit sharing ratio. That is their balance. Two balance carried down is 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Okay. Again I will tell, those are not understood. Question only. New capital should be adjusted according to new profit sharing ratio anta kottaga, first new profit sharing ratio question alli kottidara anta nodbeku. Kottidre new profit sharing ratio working note ಮಾಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, same new profit sharing ratio you have to use. If not given, you have to calculate. ಅದರ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ old ratio share of the new partner ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ how to calculate new ratio, remaining share into old ratio, the same case you get new profit sharing ratio. If sacrifice ratio kottaga hege new ratio madodu, so you have to find out sacrifice share and old share minus sacrifice share is new share. Adu hechagi barudilla. If you want later I will give for assignment such problems. Okay. So find out new profit sharing ratio, make it. So for this adjustment. Okay. So after calculation of new profit sharing ratio, next working you have to do is, you have to find out the capital of the firm. So new partner's capital, new capital it is, and his share, new share, both we know. So on that basis we are calculating the total capital. New partner share 1/4 ಗೆ 30,000 adre full capital 1 how much? So you get the total capital. So that total capital in the new ratio when you divide, right? So that is the capital balance according to new profit sharing ratio. That is what told in the question. So we have taken the capital balance according to new profit sharing ratio. Now, so after writing this, now if you get the difference on the actual cash paid off ಅಥವಾ brought in, ಆಗ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಹಾಕೋದು. ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ನೌ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಈ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Otherwise, whatever difference ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ ಅದೇ balance carried down ಅಲ್ಲಿ stop ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay? So, ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ balance carried down, we find out the total capital, each partner's adjusted capital, that is capital as per new profit sharing ratio, that we are writing as the balance carried down. Okay? ಈಗ ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 ಮಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3000 ಇದ್ರೆ 63,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಯು ಆಡ್ 58, 62, ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್, ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ದಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ 50, 58, 62, 63,680. Okay, so here total you write 63,680. So difference is 3,860. 680. 3,680. Sariya? Yes. 3,680. So in the previous sum what we did, the difference is paid off to cash or bank we are writing. But in this sum we are writing to current account, that is to Azad's current account. I'll just write current account. To Azad's current account. Okay. Now second partner you check. ಯಾವ ಸೈಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿ. Second partner ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30,000 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Credit only is more. So write the total. This side is more. So write the total. Higher total you have to write when you balance the ledger account. 32, 34, 38,840. Okay. So 34,840, 38,840, so 8,840. Difference is transferred to his current account. So entry is A's capital to A's current account, B's capital to B's current account. Entries we are writing later. So this is over. Bring down the balance by balance brought down. So take down the balance. 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. Okay. Shall we do entries first? Then we'll go to balance sheet. We'll do journal entries. Actually journal entries first barbekittu. Now we'll do journal entries and then we'll prepare the balance sheet. Okay. Write journal entries in the books of Azad and Bubbly. Journal entries in the old form, that is Azad and Bubbly. Balance sheet of the new form after admission. So balance sheet of all the partners. The adjustments all partners are doing. So ledger accounts and the journal entries in the books of Azad and Bubbly. So write journal entries in the books of journal entries in the books of Azad and Bubbly. Draw column for journal. Date, particulars, column heading is compulsory. LF, debit, rupees, credit, rupees. Okay. First entry, building account debtor to revaluation, increase in asset and decrease in liability. Same order I will go, how I have explained. First revaluation 3 entries will do, increase in asset and decrease in liability. Revaluation, sorry, building to revaluation. On the item irodu, so first entry 1, 2, 3 you write, date we are not writing. If you want date of admission you can write, otherwise just write the serial number. Okay. So first one is building account debited to, when you write to, leave little gap and then write to revaluation account. to revaluation account. So amount is 5,000. Amount is 5,000. Narration, increase in or appreciation, only one direct L, right? Appreciation on building. Okay, so draw column. Second entry, for decrease in asset and increase in liability. Two items are there. Revaluation account, illi side, debit account, side in the baribeku. Revaluation account, debited. Two same line alli you write. Two machinery account. Two machinery account and two same line alli barabeku. 2 PBD. So machinery it is 2000 and PBD it is 480. So total revaluation debit 2480. Debit should equal to credit. Okay. So third entry is continue ಮಾಡಿ. Third entry is third entry ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್. What is the entry? Revaluation difference. We got revaluation to capital 1680, revaluation account, see your revaluation account 1680 and 840. So the entry is revaluation account debited, revaluation account debited to Azad's capital account, to Bubbly's capital account. To Azad's capital account, his share is 1680 and 840. So total revaluation profit we got is 2520. So total revaluation profit 2520. So narration, revaluation profits transferred. Revaluation profits transferred. If you want in detail, transferred to old partners capital account. Revaluation profits transferred to old partners capital account. Okay. Fourth entry, general reserve. Ide. So general reserve account debited to fourth entry, general reserve account debtor to old partners capital account. 1, 2, 3 is here. Fourth one, to Azad's capital account. To general reserve given in the question is 12,000. Already we wrote the distribution in the capital account. Wrong agida. General reserve how much given? We took wrong amount. $4,000 and 2,000. So general reserve is 4,000 and correct. 4,000 and 2,000, 6,000. To Bubbly's capital account. So here you are right. General reserve distributed to old partners. Distributed to old partners. Fifth entry, new partner brings capital. So we pass by bank account debtor to Chintan's capital account. Bank account debtor to he brings 30,000. 30,000. So capital brought in by Chintan. Capital brought in by Chintan. Sixth entry for goodwill. Sixth entry for goodwill. An entry goodwill again, two entries are there when goodwill brought in. One is cash or bank to goodwill, and second entry is goodwill account debited to old partners capital account. Okay. So first entry is bank account debtor to bank account debited to goodwill account. Narration, goodwill brought in by new partner. Goodwill brought in by new partner. How much he brings? 12,000. ಬರೆಯದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ ಕೇಳಿ. Bank account debited to goodwill account 12,000. Narration, goodwill brought in by Chintan or goodwill brought in by new partner. Now one more entry you have to pass. That is seventh entry. What is the seventh entry? Goodwill distribution. Goodwill account debited to Azad's capital account to Bubbly's capital account. Azad's capital account to Bubbly's capital account. So it is 12,000. We have distributed in 8,000 and 4,000. Sacrifice ratio. Narration, goodwill distributed to old partners. Distributed to old partners or distributed to partners in old bariyavagatilla because here understood. Distributed to old partners. But namige artha aglike you write old partners. Old partners capital account in sacrifice ratio. Okay, that is entry number 7. Now in this two more entries are there. Difference after capital adjustment, the difference we got, it is transferred to current account. So it is Azad's capital to Azad's current account. If you want, you can pass compound entry. Azad's capital account debtor. How much? 3,000 to Azad's current account. 3,680. 3,680. Azad's capital account debtor to Azad's current account. Narration, excess capital balance transferred to current account. Excess capital balance or capital balance transferred to current account. You can write capital balance or capital difference. Excess capital balance transferred to current account. Okay. One more entry similarly, other partner also, that is Bubbly's capital also, excess capital, Bubbly's capital to Bubbly's current account. Next entry bariri, Bubbly's Azad badlige Bubbly's capital account debtor 8,860 to Bubbly's current account 8,860. Bubbly's excess capital balance transferred to current account. So these are the journal entries. So in the same order entry ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಆಗ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಸುಲಭ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸುಲಭ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Suppose for 2 marks if they ask any entry also easily you can write the entry. So revaluation 3 entries, distribution of reserve and profit and loss account balance. Then new partner brings capital, goodwill. Now till now in all the sums new partner brings goodwill treatment we did. 2 entries, cash to goodwill, cash or bank to goodwill and goodwill to old partners capital. Withdrawn idre ಒಂದು extra entry ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ old partners capital account debited to cash or bank account. ಆಮೇಲೆ capital adjustment idre you get another 2 entries. Credit side ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ it is capital to cash or bank. ಈ sum ಅಲ್ಲಿ capital to current account. Debit ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ cash to capital ಅಥವಾ current account to capital account. ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದೆ ಬರೋದು, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಬರೋದು ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಬಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. ಸೊ 1 sum I did in current account. Okay. So balance sheet we have to complete. We have to complete the balance sheet. Oral I will tell, complete the balance sheet because sufficient sums we solved. Martiralla. So balance sheet, cash in hand, we didn't change. Heading and you write. Cash yesterday 2000. Bank, here it is 10,000 plus new partner brings 30,000 capital plus new partner brings 12,000 goodwill. Last capital adjustment is not there, capital goodwill withdrawn is not there. So it is 30, 40, 52,000. Okay. Next adjustment is debtors, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors given in the balance sheet, sundry debtors is 8,000 less PBD. Less PBD. How much written in the revaluation? PBD ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಿ revaluation ಅಲ್ಲಿ? PBD is 480. So less and right. Okay. Less PBD 480. So you will get 7,520. Next item is stock. I think no change stock value. So write as it is, stock 10,000. Next is machinery. Machinery 25,000 is there. So we have reduced 2,000. So now value is 23,000. Less depreciation. Revaluation alli hakida amount, add or less you have to do. Okay. Next item is furniture. I left. Furniture haki. Furniture bittogide. Stock adamele furniture is there. Stock 10,000. Furniture, I think furniture also no adjustment. How much furniture given? 5,000. So no change in the furniture value also. Stock 10,000. Furniture 5,000. Next item is machinery, building. Building in the balance sheet, how much given? 40,000. Now value is 5,000 more. So it is 45,000. It is and appreciation. Okay. Now we'll write liability side. Creditors, no change. Write the amount as it is, 8,000. So creditors 8,000. Then bills payable 4,000. Bills payable 4,000. Okay. No new adjustment. So now current account, two current account is there. Current account, two current account means credit balance. Credit balance means it is liability. Suppose debit balance means it is asset. Why current account bandre illi? Adu asset alli current account AB, like that you are right. Now current account AB, Azad Bubbly. How capital account you are writing? Same way. Illi current account of Azad and Bubbly. So it is 3,680 and 8,640. Right? So total you write. Total 12,520. Suppose if by current account if you got, so in that case current account comes in the asset side. Okay. So now current account we got in the debit side, that is two current account. Two current account andre current account credit balance. Liability shows credit balance. So it should come in the liability side. Okay. Now capitals or capital accounts of Azad, Bubbly and Chintan. Okay. So we got how much new capital? 60,000, 30,000 and 30,000. 60,000 balance adjusted capital, that only ought right. So it is 1,20,000. Write the total. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1,44,520 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1,44,520, 1,44,520 is the balance. Okay, so one more session I will continue where I will take the next goodwill adjustment. First case is new partner brings goodwill, that is important exam point of view, and one more case, 1 or 2 sums I will work out and will close 12 mark sum in the next session.